Here it is, mystical, magical. United, where we built the first Earthship demo here in Haiti. Let's go have a look. We spent 4 days here in June, last June 2010, and 10 days here in January. We gave training to 30 Haitian interns to build this Earthship. It's basically a fully sustainable unit with a water system of its own that we're going to see. We spent 2 months gathering materials. We used about 11,000 bottles, about 80 tires, a bunch of rubble, a bunch of styrofoam found off the streets, and cement and rebar and other materials. Also, for a total cost of materials of $3,500. So 4 to 6 people for a start for a fully sustainable unit is a good thing, and basically everyone who wants their own room can proceed to build more rooms like this. It took us in total, we'll say 2 weeks to build this whole villa. Like, we train the 30 people and they will become foremen to train the next people and the next people. So we're always going to be there with financing and foremen to help people build it. So of course with the Earthship crew it took 2 weeks. For future projects, I don't know. We're going to do schools too. So the roof is meant to collect rainwater and send it. That building there is the cistern that we mounted on tires. So ideally you want all the buildings that you build to catch rainwater. You don't need any extra pipes. You can just mold the gutter with your hands with recycled materials like bottles and cement, and just build a gutter and basically conduct it to the cistern. But ideally every building you make, you want it to catch rainwater and send to the cistern. You want to prevent molds, so you got to keep it away from light at all costs. Up there there's a hole, there's a screen, and the water just drains right into there from the roof right there. And we just pounded some dirt into some tires, mounted the cistern, and pretty much covered it with a cement wall of bottles, a bottle wall, sorry, with some cement there. This is where the water comes out. So like I said, we haven't put any extra pipes that we didn't need. We tried to keep the cost as low as possible. So when you live in an Earthship, you kind of have to relook at all the products that you use. You don't want to be putting any chemical products that can kill plants, because your plants are going to be drinking the water that is flushed away in the gravel here. So this is the shower. You take water from the cistern to do laundry and shower and all your needs. And basically the water drains into the gravel. Underneath me here is a hole lined with thick plastic. All the holes that we dig are contained with plastic. That's really important, so there's no toxins, nothing gets out. And basically the water just drains into the gravel and comes out. It never stays there. It drains right out into a pipe, going out to the first botanical cell, which is the Greywater botanical cell. So I'll show you guys that. The water drains out into a hole that is dug right under here. Basically this whole platform you see here, there's 2 holes here. So don't get them mixed up. This is the first one here, ends here. Underneath, so that is the Greywater botanical cell. The water drains into it. You plant your food production. There's a phenomenon where as the roots are drinking, as the roots are absorbing water, they release tons of oxygen, and the most natural way to clean water, from what I know, is oxygen. So the water gets cleansed by the roots as they're absorbing the water. Then there's a pump that's solar powered, enough to power the pump. It'll power, you can charge your laptop, cell phone, have lighting, your basic needs on a little solar panel like that, good for 4 to 6 people. But the pump is connected to the solar panel, and basically the water is pumped with every flush. So let's go check out that. We're just going to follow the water stream. So this is the bathroom, the toilet room. The flush, you get the Greywater flushing toilet, really, so there's no waste. Underneath me right now is another big hole dug, lined with plastic. Underneath the toilet here, you have 5 big truck tires. And basically what happens is that the water and the urine gets filtered through the tires. Then you have gravel within the lined plastic. So this is the Blackwater Botanical cell. There's a pipe, the water comes out, and basically that's it. You plant your food production, and the trees keep absorbing the fluids fully. Over there is another Blackwater Botanical cell that are connected, so if there's overflow, it's going to go directly to that one. And there you go, you got your food production. As the sustainable movement is the one a lot of us want to see in Haiti. But we need to adapt these projects to Haitian needs as best we can. So the bottles let light in, but they can be decorative. You can mosaic. Basically, this whole thing was built by Haitian hands. A 30 people crew, Haitians, who built this with the guidance of the Earthship crew, guiding them through carpentry, through bottle laying, through, all the steps. So their hands molded this, Whatever you want. And when you're building with these kind of materials, you can build a castle. You can build whatever you want. Tires, if there is an earthquake, the tires they're packed with dirt. They're really, really, really heavy, and they're stuck together like that. Okay, they go like that. And then there's rebar that comes in the middle through the tires like that. If there's an earthquake, at the worst, they'll go boom, 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 boom. As for roofing, we keep the roof really light. It's basically rebar domes with chicken wire and plaster. And then up in the roof there, it's styrofoam in rice bags. If there's an earthquake, it's very lightweight. Haiti projects, I'm seeking people to come and develop every aspect of this kind of sustainable living. So because one project can't do it all, so that's where we need the help of everybody. I'm searching for people to come and show people how to do free energy in Haiti. Someone to travel throughout all the zones. You only need one interested person in every zone to make it happen for all of Haiti. The island is not that big. And transport as well, sustainable transport, electric bicycles. We can make the parts in Haiti. So yeah, I am seeking people to complete this movement so we can bring a model, village model, completely sustainable that we can bring to the people.
Merci beaucoup. Ampil. Merci.
C'est pas un créole?
C'est pas un créole?
Ou haïtien?
Oh, puis la famille Naptan nous. Naptan nous, oui. Ça me dit.
Earthship. Earth. This is it. Legendary Earthship. See that? The future of housing. All over the world. Starting here in Haiti, it's like a revolution. Yeah.